Hi, I'm Kat. I work for Surrey Downs Health and Care. I'm a podiatrist and I'm here attending the Podiatry Conference 2024. I've enjoyed looking around all the different exhibition stalls, seeing what new technology is out there. I've enjoyed going to a lot of the workshops, getting up-to-date information so I can bring it back to my practice. It's really good to attend the workshops because you get that up-to-date information that you can take back to your practice and other team members who may not have come here, so you can give them all the relevant information that they may need for their practice. The energy of the conference has actually been quite upbeat. I'm a bit tired today, but looking around everyone, they're all quite buzzing. So I'm like, oh, okay, I should be like that now. So my colleague is one of our apprentices. It's her first time here. This is my second conference that I've been to. I think it's good for students to come here because they get to see a wide range of podiatry. You know, whether it's wound care podiatry, MSK podiatry, new innovations that are coming out. They may want to go into the NHS, they may want to go into private practice. It just gives them a broad view of what you can do in podiatry because it's so vast. I will hopefully be attending again next year. Do you know what? I really enjoyed the keynote speaker yesterday. I think it was actually quite relevant to a lot of podiatrists out there at the moment about well-being. And it literally did strike a chord with me yesterday, so I really enjoyed that speak. Yeah, definitely. It's good for podiatrists to come to a podiatry conference, but I go to conferences that are designed for nurses because it's all based on like a wound care. I think it's actually good for other allied health professionals, nurses, to come to a podiatry conference to actually see what podiatry does. It's good to other allied health professionals to come and see what podiatry does because sometimes they don't know exactly what we do and the vastness of our profession. So if they come to a podiatry conference, they can see everything that goes on in podiatry in one weekend. And I think it will open their minds.